Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to access your profile directly from a shortcut on the WhatsApp desktop app. With the latest update, WhatsApp has introduced a handy keyboard shortcut that allows you to open your profile in just seconds. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the WhatsApp desktop app installed and ready to use on your PC. If you haven't done so yet, download it from the Microsoft Store or WhatsApp's official website. Once installed, log in using your QR code or credentials. Now, here's the simple two-step process. 1. Open the WhatsApp desktop app. You'll see your chats and contacts displayed as usual. 2. On your keyboard, press Ctrl P. Instantly, this shortcut takes you directly to your profile page within the app. That's it. No need to navigate through menus or settings manually anymore. On your profile page, you can view and edit details like your name, status, and profile picture with ease. This feature is especially useful for those who want quick access to their profile for updates or checking information without disrupting their workflow. It's part of WhatsApp's ongoing effort to streamline user experience on desktop platforms. So go ahead and try it out. Open WhatsApp, press Ctrl P, and enjoy the convenience of instant access to your profile. If you found this helpful, share it with friends who might benefit from this tip. Thank you for tuning in today and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience.